Hi, I'm bennoH from the mountain of Switzerland, and today I want to show you my new plugin, my Christmas gift to you. And for that, we use also the plugins what I give you for free in my Tixel recommendation. You see they are in progress here. These ones. So we can you see the on one is that one and the odd one is that one in this creation. But what I want to show you is this plugin here, and I show by nearly in the default settings, like it was that, something like this, and I do a lot of abstractions with that. You have a norm os, enormous a lot of options in this ultra version. I do 3 versions, uh, so it's some differences only by the options numbers. The most options you find in the Ultra version, then I got a Pro version with the mid-range option number, and the less options you find in the Easy version. So the Easy version is more overviewable. And what you have to do for normal when it starts, uh, then you must do always this play button, or from time to time the restart button. That is the internal animation of the ESF shader, and when you don't toggle, they don't move. There are also movings or animations in the. They comes not from the internal. When I stop the internal animation here, you see I stopped that now, but you can see we have animations here. I set the timeline options in some functions here. So also here we have a little bit of that. And when I started the animations, you look at that. So you see they start also to move the internal animation. There you have 2 different animation things. So for once time, I can show what it happened in all of that, what I was to think how you can work with this thing. So we have the main plugin in this line here, but you have also a line where you can put your logo, or the logo of the location, or the logo of the event where you do your visual show. And you see is 2 different places where I placing that, because when you use the frame, this is a festive element for Christmas or New Year. You have also in silver, and you have brighter or smaller versions. You see, this is the same in silver like that in gold. Maybe for New Year you have it's better in silver, I think so. I don't know. You can also change that look. I do a U rotation in, and you can animate the U rotation by the timeline, so they change the color, but the saturation, I put it a little bit down, so you can move that like you want. So we're going back, and we're going back here. The next line, layer line, is this texts. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year is the prime one with the most letters. Then we have one with less letters, and you see everyone is animated by an envelope here. And now I stop it. You can stop it in this range where it's full open, and you can play it at here in the play button, and you see then you have some animation. You can also change the speed where it's lighting up and down, or something like that. And you have some small ones, a corner for the corners only. Also this one is only for the corner, and I stopped that also in the full playout, but you can animate it also like it's gone away and comes again. And the most important is maybe this one, what it has not so much letters, but the motto is very clear, Merry Christmas, and so you have everything what you need. We go back to this small one, and then in the next layers you have these different kinds. This is all just with different option settings, the same plugin. So you can see there are a lot of differences what you can make with that. This is an endless thing. You have so much options that you also I have putting also some effects in the plugin itself, that it's more brighter and wider, the option settings, the possibilities what you can do with that, and also just pattern styles you can use that, or you can use it more for normal events, or you can use that for the New Year's Eve, maybe more with styles like that. It's more coloring or more wiping stuffs. This wipes in and wipes out, and then it has just a background pattern in the middle, or you can do something crazy stuff like that. It's more trippy things for trippy animations. Also, this is a trippy animation, and also that it came from maybe. This is one of that effects that it makes mark. I implemented in my plugin that one. It's a free effect to use, and I implemented that also in the plugin. But it's made by Resolume by Marky Mark or something like that it calls.